Do you want to increase your brand recognition, customer loyalty, and revenue all at once? Well, here's how maintenance memberships can help with just that. Generally speaking, it's a contract that you provide the customer that goes over the amount of time that you'll be providing maintenance for them, whether that be a month or a year. This could be for really anything: HVAC system, water heater, roof, plumbing, electrical, whatever. Typically, there's a flat rate that the customer will pay that covers basically any routine maintenance or repairs that are needed. Most companies will actually throw in additional benefits like priority scheduling, discounts, no overtime charges, and so on and so forth. You might already even have a maintenance membership program, but are you really leveraging it to its fullest potential? Do you know if your techs and comfort advisors are actually promoting this program to your customers? Well, think about this. A maintenance membership means you already have that customer locked in. It's a guaranteed foot in the door, and if that customer has an issue, they're calling you. And if your techs are good, they're going to be seizing that opportunity to find other ways to improve your customer's life. This could be in the form of pointing out small issues in the house that could be easily fixed, recommending great new services or products that the customer might benefit from. And another great reason to lean into these maintenance membership programs is that it'll keep you and your company at the top of the customer's mind. When you're the one that they call for service, it's an increased number of chances that you have to seize the opportunity to wow them every single time, which only helps build that brand loyalty. Plus, keeping the equipment properly maintained means that you get to keep the customer happy. It gives you more chances to show the customer that you are an industry leader and that you know your stuff. And it also shows them that you genuinely care by making sure that the equipment is properly maintained so it doesn't break down when they need it most. And even if it does, you know they're going to call you for help. We've all been there. The dreaded shoulder season, or that off time where you're just scrambling to find calls. But if you have plenty of membership customers, that is the perfect time to take advantage of that. Schedule out those membership calls during the slow times, and you'll find plenty of ways to keep those trucks on the road. And if your techs are good at what they do, these membership calls can often turn into additional calls or higher tickets. You have to figure out a way to implement it that meets the unique needs of your organization, but once you do, you'll wish you had done it sooner. And if you already have one, now's the time to take a closer look at it. Is it priced for success? Can the value for the customer be improved? And most importantly, are you and your organization promoting it? And last but not least, you can also watch our CSR video that we did. It's just helping improve the overall business, how you interact with customers so that you build that brand loyalty, which keeps those customers better retained. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification icon because we make videos like this consistently, and we would love to help you out and grow your business.